Holy moly, guacamole!
Okay, let's go. Slice up a couple of limes, juice them, and then set them aside. We'll go ahead and mince up some garlic. I like my guacamole with a little bit of kick, so I'll add in half of a jalapeno pepper. I'm going to slice that up nice and finely. Here's a tomato. We'll have that all prepped up and set aside. Coming up is what could be my favorite herb ever, is cilantro. I believe in guacamole, there can never be enough cilantro and lime, so I make sure I really top it up, and I chop this up nice and finely as well. Next up, we're going to prep our avocados. Here are a couple of ways and a couple of life hacks on how to do it: by chopping off the ends, scoring the center, and then simply peeling it off. Now you can use your knife to remove that pit. You can also do it where you don't remove the skin first. You'll remove the skin after separating that avocado and removing that pit. And then here you can also use a spoon to score that avocado. Have a little fun here mashing up your avocados, depending on if you want them very chunky or very creamy. It's your choice. Construction time of our nice ingredients. We'll add in everything from red onions, tomatoes, garlic, jalapenos, the cilantro. Smash it with some salt and pepper, and here comes our fresh lime juice. Make sure you give this a nice mix and let all of those ingredients combine. The flavors here are going to be absolutely fantastic. While you're here, please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share to all of your friends so they can enjoy this great recipe, and make sure to turn on that notification button.